AJ Roy, quick word. We just did a historic move here at the stadium. What are your thoughts? What do you want the world to know about what happened today?
Wow. First, as always, I'm humbled. You know, to get the phone call, there's so many firsts that we have done as Road International. First truck on Eastern Parkway, Reggae truck, Road International. I remember going to Eastern Parkway and them said, it's just soca for play. We were the first official reggae truck to go on Eastern Parkway. So to get the call to be inside the stadium, we played outside the stadium probably about 10, 15, maybe 20 times. And that is amazing. So I'm not even saying that's not amazing. But to be actually in the stadium, history, and I got to big up Erwin Clear, Team Jamaica Bickle. 30-year anniversary is a milestone, but it's a huge one. You know, not too many people do things for 30 years, and he's been helping our athletes both at home and abroad for 30 years. So for this to be like the climax of his 30 years, we're live inside the stadium. I got to say big up to Erwin Clear. And again, I'm part of the whole Road International family. That's Stretch, Oxtail, RJ, Star, and Biggs. We thank you for, of course, choosing us to be the flagship to kick it off. So so next year is a problem. So next year now, we'll get 20 minutes, them extended because it was so good, gave us 40 minutes. Next year, 1 hour. You know, this is going to be like Super Bowl halftime next year. That means we want explosions and rockets and flag wave, girls that dance, people that king. Yeah, they just fly over and people that king put a lick on the floor. Yeah, next year serious. So make sure to join us next year. And again, Erwin Clear, salute. 30 years, man. Big respect.
All right, thank you.
Let's go Stretch. All Jamaicans. Where you flag there? Where you rock there? Where you flag there? Hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try keep me wings so we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. It's fruit and banana.
Where the flag them there?
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Looking at the river when me ready for peace. No boy can't buy me. You're foreign minded, now you compare to Jamaica. Jamaica, you wanna feel?
Any woman playing in the world and she's in the building, I have to play her song. Stretch, can you play a song for the CG for me, please? This one for the CG.
Coming from the country with my bag of curry. I woke up on a easy. In what people mean. Don't you run now, you man. You won't get away. If you slip, you will die.
Stop. Put your hands in the air right now. If you bless right now. If you bless right now.
I love the blessing. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life, I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life, I am blessed. You know, let me put up in your street, make money. Give my cry, oh, I thank God to God.
Let the people understand.
From the edge of the earth, where I cry, oh,
If you want to be Jamaican, wave your hand.
where my heart is far away. Lead me to the rock that is higher.
the devil send them.
Jump it in, jump it in.
You know me the devil send them. I see no death before. I've never seen a dance like this. I see no dance before. Even still what's your name? Alright.
We bad man and we people pants.
We take dancing to a higher rank.
We take down and we can understand. Why the river? Why the bank? Why the river?
On the bank, shut up and kneel down and shut up and crack. Don't be flat, we have to don't be flat. No, we can't don't be flat. Get it around. Get it around. Stop. Dancing at Jamaica millionaires. So I think when I say immigration and all of the men. Parachute. Everybody feel you do the parachute. You jump on the ground, then you do your thing.
Hey, touch what if it's jumping. Jumping. Stop.
Spin with it and take for yourself. And the new dance take for yourself. Cause somebody bad mind, somebody bad mind. Take for yourself.
Look, if they can't do that dance, church, they must do this next dance. Ready?
New style.
I don't remember the Bogo. I don't remember the Bogo now. Bogo, where does it? Do it, no side, do that, put your hand in the air, do your rock with it. Hey, Bogo dance. I got a new style, and you want this, I do. Bogo around the place, night and day.
She can't do it, but she can't dance it.
Look. Watch out, hold on,